Guys, it's raining already outside. Just not raining. It's just sprinkling. Just a little. Yeah, go get the board, Papa. It's beautiful. Beautiful out here. The clouds up there are pretty heavy, but it's nothing crazy. Now it's dark on that side where Phoenix is. Last time it was dark towards Yuma, like over there. I don't know where that part is. Thank you, Papa. But it's beautiful. It's raining really nice. Now my van's getting a shower. So yeah, it's beautiful. You can hear the thunder right there.
It's not that bad actually.
No. Get inside, Papa. It's really heavy over there. I don't know if you guys can see that. Look at that. All that thick, heavy clouds. Baby, stop.
What?
Heavy, thick. There goes the lightning.
Mommy, look. Look at this thing on top of the...
Come on, let's go inside. It's pretty light over here. It's not that heavy, thick. There is clouds. You can see it, but it's not that thick. So, but it's getting there. You can see it over there. It's getting there. I would think it would rain more, but it's not that bad. It's sprinkling here.
Remember yesterday? Yesterday it rained hard.
I know.
This is so cozy. Who bought it? It's so cozy. Happy shower day.
Alright, you guys. I just wanted to show you again what's going on here. Sorry if I'm moving too much.
Bye.
But yeah. So there it is.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Talk to you guys later.